Hello followers, welcome back to Vegan Cookies Good, reviewing all things tools and sweets. Let's jump right into it. Today we have the Doyle 9.5 inch high leverage Linesman's pliers with crimping tool. This crimping tool can do both non-insulated and insulated terminals. It's supposedly rated for ACSR, screws, nails, and hardened wire. We're going to test that. Also, let's go ahead and take a look at the hardened cross-hatched tooth. Not too bad. Made of high-strength steel. Seems to be hot riveted, fairly loose at the joint, but no wobble or play, which is nice. The classic plastic dipped handles provide some comfort. Let's go ahead and give this a test. Let's see if it'll cut some stranded wire. Ooh, a little bit of effort there. Let's try it again. Maybe a little closer to the jawline. One more time. How about a piece of aluminum ring? No problem there. How about some 17 gauged fencing wire, steel? Okay, no problems there. Let's go ahead and test out the crimping capability. I just have a pretty basic terminal here. And crimping down now. It's a pretty good crimp. I'm not a huge fan of the crimps that are below the hot rivet. I like the crimping tools up here. We'll do a tool review later on that. Now that we've looked into the tool itself, let's get down to business. That's right, the golden Stuf Oreos. These are double stuffed, 2 cookies a serving. Let's go ahead and do the cookie grabbing test with the Linesmans. The Linesmans are having a little trouble grabbing on. There we go. Let's give that another try. A little more finesse involved due to the fat heads. Very nice. Let's see if we can break them. Doyle's 9.5 inch high leverage pliers can be found online or at select big box stores. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, vegan cookies are good.